Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and you are welcome to take off with me on this journey because we are going into these hairstyles and these easy DIYs and just simple ways to do our hair ourselves. But anyway, so this video is all about this reddish brown 13x4 frontal wig that is on Amazon Prime. Yes, you heard it. But this is what my hair is looking like right now. Before I show you guys the wigs, let's talk about this hair. So anytime I'm installing a wig, sometimes I'm lazy, sometimes I actually do a braid down. This time we're braiding her down. So I like to apply a cap. I do not do a ball cap method. I don't see the need to. I salute to the girlies that do, but I just don't. Once I have that secured and on, I like to go in and apply a little bit of makeup to make that cap a little more like my skin tone. And I'm also going to apply a little bit to the wig as well. This is how the wig came. Like, you guys see those knots? You see how it's lightly plucked? It came like that. So I'm not going to mess with it. This is going to be something that I just literally throw on. I did notice that the hairline was kind of like a widow's peak in the front. So this is the section that I will be cutting off. It's good to just go ahead and pre-section it out. I'm only using even for this install. Yay, even install. I like to do some type of gel or sticky adhesive, but I didn't have any. So this even did what had to be done. All right. So I like to spread out on the lace whenever I'm just using even by itself. And then I'm going to go in and pull it down and just start to work that lace into my scalp with my comb. When using spray adhesive only, I also like to go on top and just make sure, you know, she's going to be laid and slayed. So it's okay to do that. Try not to overdo it because you will kind of get like a hard cast. But once you do that, add your lace band and you're just going to let her melt on down. So this is how the lace is looking so far once I took that elastic band off. You guys see that front portion of hair that I had to pull out because I would have had kind of like a low widow's peak and I wasn't really going for that look. So just section it out and then you can literally cut it off when you cut off your lace. I'm going to be using a razor to take off this lace if I remember to take the top off. Like, hello. Anyway, whenever I'm using my razor, I just kind of like to go in jagged motions. Be careful not to get too close to your hair. That's why I'm kind of pulling it back to make sure I'm actually getting the lace and not, you know, my face. So just be careful whenever you're working with lace. Y'all, you guys see how this lace is melting? Like, it looks beautiful, and I only use a little bit of a CC cream on it. No foundation, no lace tint, literally a CC cream, and that's how it's looking. The knots came like this, and I'm loving the results so far. I'm not a professional plucker or anything like that, but I did go in and just wanted to take out some of that density in the front just to kind of give it more of a sleek look because I will be doing some type of ponytail style. Instead of using some type of spray or wax stick, I like using mousse to mold my hair when I'm doing ponytails or just slick styles with a wig. So you guys should definitely give that a try if you don't want a hard feeling with like holding spray or have it wax all over your head. Try mousse first. It definitely works. This wig is 150% density. I love how it's not too thick. It's easy to manage, especially with it being like a wavy texture. It is very helpful for like natural styles, braid down in the front, half or half downs, but you still get enough volume to be able to style it. After I do that, I like to pull out my baby hairs. If you would like to see an in-depth but very quick tutorial on how I did that, please check out the link in my bio for a TikTok that I did that actually shows my method for how I do my baby hairs. I will be showing a little sneak peek at the end of this video, so please stay tuned to see that and to catch these final results of this hairstyle that I'm about to do on this wig. But that is really it for this install. You guys are about to see me style her and I'm going to be ready to go. So thank you so much to Eunice on Amazon Prime, and all the information on this hair will be down below in my description box. So please feel free to check it out. Y'all, this reddish brown is definitely a vibe, especially during the holiday season. It's giving very much spices like Thanksgiving. Like, ooh, yes. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, beauties.